If you having the trouble on Roblox that it's not opening, I have the solution for you. Okay, so to fix this is very simple. You are receiving this error on Roblox because you have some temporary files that are blocking your access to Roblox. So the first method you have to do is to press Windows key and R, and you will get this little window here. So you have to write the next thing. Percent temp percent, you press enter, and once you get here, you will select everything here like that. Every folder you find here, that there are a lot of folders here, and you will press right click and delete. Okay, so you delete all these things here permanently, and you will be able to play Roblox again. And also you will free a little bit of space on your disk, so that's pretty cool actually. The second method, if that didn't work, is to delete uninstall Roblox. I mean, you should uninstall Roblox if you have a Roblox installed from the website, and you must install it from the Microsoft Store. And if you have it on the Microsoft Store, you will have to uninstall that Roblox version, and you have to go to roblox.com and install it there, it from there. So, if that was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.